Oh, I can't wait to see Big Hero 6. Ow, ow, ow! Sauce. Hey, Donald, how about you?
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Maybe I can sand it out.
Well, there's things wrong with that. What? You're a cop. Who? Oh, you're a doof. So, you won't be needing this, will ya?
Yeah. He loves a lot.
Who's the lucky guy?
I got an autograph from Oprah!
Bad guy sauce! Isn't stuff great?
You bet.
Together we'll die!
Die.
Egg roll. I wish I had a breeze running down my leg. I'd kill for a cookie.
I understand. Oh, put me down! Remember how we rescued the princess?
I was high.
Hi. Well,
The duck dumped ya, remember?
well, Goofy then.
The goof, he's getting Halo.
No. No, no. We were gonna go to GameStop and get that together.
Oh, sure, uh-huh.
Da-da-da!
Three. I love three. Three.
Well, what's first and foremost in the
YouTube poop
is to find what's funny. Well, it's cool because Mickey's cool because Mickey's cool because Mickey's cool because Mickey. I think they took the roles.
We turn to the shorts. Films like The Cleaners, Mickey's Trailer, and well, go.
Oh yeah, I agree. Pete just has it, you know. He's kind of evil. It's funny. Off camera, Pete's not at all what he seems. He cooks and he likes to do makeovers for his friends.
What?
They just decided to put more and more funny sauce in it after that.
Well, I think they were really waiting to find, the right director. Of course they get so I got the job. Grow up watching Mickey, Donald, and Goofy.
Don't tell me what to do.